Hello, my name is Paul Priestley. You probably know I make lots of how to draw videos and art history videos here on YouTube. They're intended for beginners, young people and anybody interested in art. My aim is to help people to draw and paint, learn about great artists and art in general. YouTube is a great vehicle for doing this. My videos are available, as you know, free of charge, and they will continue to stay free to anybody who wants to watch them on YouTube. But unfortunately, the software and equipment I buy and use to create them isn't free, and that's where you come in. I recently came across this new thing called Patreon. It's a crowdfunding platform for artists and creative people. It's a little bit like Kickstarter, but it works on a monthly basis with smaller amounts. Maybe you could help me to continue to make more and more videos at even better quality by pledging a small amount each month. That would be wonderful. And depending on the amount, you'll get interesting, cool rewards like behind the scenes information, your name in a video description, or a mention in a video, or even access to my closed video group where you can upload your artwork and have it critiqued by me. Even very small amounts will be really appreciated, and you will have the satisfaction of knowing you are helping me make more videos for more and more people to watch. And that should give you a nice, warm, happy feeling. Finally, all of this is simply a request. My videos will continue to stay free for you, even if you are not in a position to offer support. But thank you for watching.